A self-rightening boat is a boat which can be turned or flipped under any angle, and whatever angle you pick, it will righten itself keel down in its normal position. Even if you flip it 180 degrees, so keel upwards, the boat will then flip to its normal position, keel downwards. We have two methods of testing if a boat is self-rightening. We can look at software simulations of the boat, analyzing if the volume of the different parts of the boat will displace enough water to provide buoyancy, hence flipping it over. The other method of testing if a boat is self-rightening is by taking it to sea and testing physically if it's self-rightening, turning it upside down and see what happens. We do that by hooking a hoisting loop on the side of the boat where the hoist goes underneath the hull of the boat, and we then pull the boat, turning it upside down. What we see at the first stage of this pull is the boat is resisting a lot against this pull. That's an indication of the stability of the boat, and even if the boat is turned roughly 90 degrees, it starts to bounce back to its normal position. For a boat to be self-rightening, the characteristics you want to seek out is that the center of gravity is quite low. You want voluminous parts high on the boat. You want all parts to be watertight and air-filled. You want the boat to work as an upside-down pendulum, basically. Most of the boats Rafnar has built up until today are self-rightening, mainly because we are building boats for Coast Guard, rescue squadrons, clientele which require the boats to be usable under very rough conditions. They are basically heading out to sea when others should be heading to harbour. They want their boats to be 100% operational even though they flip upside down.